I'm out here about 20 miles, and I got this little boat floating around out here. Nobody in it. Back offshore. Well, I didn't get out here to the opening of grouper season, so I figured I'd come out here today. Had a pretty decent day. Seas are about 1 foot. Come out here and give the groupers a try. And here's a red boy. He's short, gotta be 20. Off to a good start. I got a grunt this time. Ain't much. Ain't much. I want groupers. But where they're grunts, they're groupers. These critters are good to eat. Another one. Another grunt. No, red grouper. A short ski. Another small fish on. Probably another grunt. Yeah. Another grunt ski. Whew. Another fish on. It's a grouper this time. That's pretty good little lid right here. We're gonna get another red. I think so. That's a nice one. You gotta be 20, but let's see here. It might be 19, 18 or 19. Not quite big enough. Another one on, another small one. Another small red. Another one. This one is a grunt ski. Well, I got the right bottom. Ain't got no big fish. Another grunt. A little bit better fish. It's probably a red grouper here. Not a small fish so far. No. Look at this. I got a gag. There's Mr. Camouflage. About 16, 17. They gotta be 24. Just a bit short. Alright, another one on. Another grouper. Just sitting over one small spot here. This is another gag. Look at a 20-inch gag right there. Camo. Another one on, but it's small. Probably another grunt. And it is. Another one on. What have we got? Gag or red? Another gag, he's short. Mr. Dolphin. Well, I had somebody just snatch the fire out of this. This might even be a legal grouper. I'll tell you what, he is. a nice fish right there. Gotta be 24. He's not legal. 23 and a half. Gotta be 24. Right. Back in the drink. Another gag. He's short. Oh, what a... This ain't no gag. Holy smoke, look at this mangrove snapper. Holy. Alright, only has to be 10 inches. That's a nice snapper right there. Ooh, there is a nice, healthy 17-inch mangrove snapper. Look at that boy. That's pretty sweet. Now that is a tasty pile of fillets right there. I think he's gonna have to go home. Alright. Well, this is a catch of the day. A remora. Got a little flat spot on top of the bed. They like to latch on to critters and get a free ride. And that's a tasty critter, but they're just bait stealers. Well, I ran offshore today about 30 miles, went through 5 pounds of bait. Just came out here to stretch a line for a while. Didn't matter whether I caught anything or not, it was legal. So it's about time to head back towards Bayport before we get some nasty showers coming offshore and just, don't feel like getting my butt kicked today. Yeah.